Welcome back to Adventures PC Wabash, and it is getting ready to go to Stanton River State Park here in Virginia. But first, as I always do, is my pre-trip check of the wheels and the lug nuts. Advise you to do this too, because you never know what's going to happen, and if anything does happen, at least you got it in your head that you did the right thing. Now my tires say inflate to 65 psi, and on this little blue sticker right here it says torque them lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds. I have a Quinn digital torque wrench here and a 19mm socket. That's what the Rockwood wheels take, and same as my little truck over there. It's preset. Now that didn't take long to check them lug nuts. It's good for peace of mind traveling. So now I'm going to do the other three and come back. I use this little air checker. It's by Milton. I find it to be better than the other one that I bought. Let's check these tires out. It don't take that long either. Alright, we're at 60 and 60. So we need 5 pounds. Most neglected tire on the camper is probably everybody's spare. And that is way low. That's at 52. All of them need a little bit of air. About 5 pounds each. I bought this Viair RV. It does a great job. Got my truck right here so I can hook it up 12 volt. I'm going to top off all my tires. It's pretty quiet too. Well, all the tires are aired up to 65. All the lug nuts are checked in there at 100 foot-pounds. My spares back up to its proper air pressure. We're ready to hit the road. At least we did everything we could do. Alright, like it, share and subscribe, and I'll see you at Stanton River State Park. Later.